my YouTube channel. So right in this video I'll be showing you this Slavi airdrop wallet. So I'm going to show you how you can claim this free airdrop that is ongoing on this project. So this wallet project is giving out their free tokens for free. So just like Trust Wallet, I'm showing you a new airdrop that is running on this app. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to claim it absolutely free. You're not going to pay any fee or any gas fee for the airdrop. So just simply hit on the link in the description of this video. So I'll drop the link right there, and also make sure you copy my referral code so that you can be able to link it up and claim the airdrop for free. So just after downloading, it will pop up a new interface like this. So what you're going to do is to click on continue. So to get started, you click on continue and you accept the terms and condition. So you actually going to set biometric. So you also set the pin code that will be requested whenever you want to log into your account. So let's just do that quickly. Okay, so once you've actually copied your passphrase and set up your pin for registration, so you go ahead and click on next. So it will load up, and you wait for the next step on how to get registered successfully. So while we wait, let me pause this video. So once the account interface pops up, I'm going to continue to show you how you can claim the airdrop for free. Okay guys, so once you get to this place, it will bring you to this interface where you receive a congratulatory message showing that you have successfully created a wallet for yourself. So you go ahead and click on get to work. So once you tap on this get to work, the next step will come up. So it's going to show you the interface of your account page that you successfully created. Then I'll show you how to get this airdrop right now without any gas fee. Okay guys, so once you get to this place, you are going to see this particular instruction that is showing that you should paste your referral code. So I'm going to drop the referral code on my screen. It will pop up, and also I'll drop it in the video description so that you can be able to copy it and paste to become eligible to actually participate in this brand new event. So you can see that the total supply is this volume of USDT that is being dropped. So once you've added the referral code, you go ahead and click on continue. So let me just quickly do that. Okay guys, so once you've actually logged into your account, this is how the dashboard will look like. So you can see that the slave coin is being listed at the price of $0.3. So, and we are going to be claiming the token right now. So what we need to do is to tap on this settings section. You now come down to this place that is showing okay, you can see this reward campaign. So you can see this reward campaign section. Just tap on this reward campaign. So once you've hit on this reward campaign, you wait for it to load up, and we'll go ahead and complete the next step. So it's going to load up for us now. So you can see that what we need to do is to paste the referral code. So you can see it's very important to have referral code so that you can be able to complete the stuff. So I have pasted the referral code. I copied from my upline. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and verify. So I'm going to verify this referral code now. So I just need to click on verify now, and it's going to verify me. And once I'm verified, it will actually arrive. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. So it will bring you to this place to solve this captcha. So I'm going to solve this captcha successfully now. Okay, just wait patiently while it loads up. So let me just quickly solve this captcha now and see what I'm going to have. Okay, the captcha has been solved, so I'll wait for the page to load up. So I'm going to wait patiently for the page to load up. Let's see how it will actually go. Okay, it will load up fully, so you can see it has ticked good. So now what is going to happen is okay, so guys, once you've successfully binded the referral code and you have claimed you have actually verified the captcha, that is all you need to do. Now you can come down here and copy your referral code and share with your friends, and once they register you earn more points. So remember, let's go down here and see that each friend you invite, you are going to have 100 plus 100 points. So other activities also which we might not actually have interest in. So if you scroll down, you see that we have rules here. So let's review what the rule is talking about. So the rule is saying that at the end of the campaign, all points will be converted into SLV tokens depending on the number of participants. So the total pool is $1 million and will be distributed based on the number of points earned and the total number of participants. So you can see more details information on accruing point by clicking on the icon on the upper right. So that is actually what it means. So just try and participate in this airdrop, and once you've actually participated, wait for the distribution time, so which we are going to update on this channel to know how far that the project has actually gone. So that is all you need to know. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.